Roblox. Roblox system. This is the cringe fam, and I kept a puppy. It's not actually ours, but you can find out the Sky Harbor Park. This it looks like. Come on. Oh my gosh. Her name is Shadow, and for right now, come on. I don't want to see her, but it's like really secure. This is what it looks like in the light. Comment down below if this is your dog. Okay. It's a cute doggy. Likes kisses. Likes kisses. Oh, so much. Comment down below, okay? See if it's yours. Okay, so I'm going to go now because I am outside and it's raining and it's nighttime. So, bye guys. And you want to say bye? Bye. Hey. Oh. Hey, I'll just go back to your skin. Bye.